frozen music discovers the high notes of architecture around the globe. In the Swiss Alps, a dramatic structure rises above the Walensee. Not a mountain, but the Sportzentrum Kerenzerberg. For 50 years, like the athletes it welcomes, this multi-sport center has never stood still. Recently, it completed a breathtaking transformation. Sporting participation is growing. In Zurich, more than half of people spend at least 3 hours a week exercising. This is good news. But it also meant the area's flagship sports center needed to grow. So, in 2015, the canton of Zurich launched an architecture competition. It assumed that the site would extend in a line westwards. But one practice had a different idea. Burkhard Meyer Architekten, which has designed a broad spectrum of buildings in Switzerland, from the Sur-Stoffi development to the Beere Tower high-rise. Their solution for the Sportzentrum was, instead of extending everything, you tie it tightly together, physically and thematically. Well, Burkhard Meyer, with partner Oliver Dufner, won the competition. And according to their vision, the facility's very outline changed. Now, the twin centerpieces are a triple sports hall and a 9-story accommodation block, constructed smartly with prefab wooden rooms inside a concrete shell. A brave and exciting statement, giving the new layout a focal point. Descend the curved staircase to the basement, where a well-lit hallway connects the new and old spaces. Oliver Dufner calls it the center's underworld. It is a place to meet, socialize, or take part in activities. In fact, all the indoor facilities, including the swimming pool, sauna, gymnasium, strength training, theory rooms, hotel, and restaurant, can be reached from here. Burkhard Meyer brought order to the chaos. Everything feels coherent and compact. The center is also streamlined through automation. Conditions in the 750 rooms are viewed and managed remotely. Blinds, lights, heating or ventilation controlled and adjusted. Air quality guaranteed. Windows status observed, safety, comfort and efficiency enhanced. And emissions radically reduced. ABB iBus, KNX Solutions and the iSphere SCADA visualization enable this, with hundreds of devices optimizing energy flows while integrating seamlessly with the Oracle Hotel Management software. The complete installation was so impressive, it received the 2022 Global KNX People's Choice Award. Solar inverters, UPS, screens, presence detectors and control interfaces complete our ABB portfolio for this intelligent complex that covers 1/3 of its own energy needs. Bravo to Burkhard Meyer for reshaping the Sportzentrum Kerenzerberg into a piece of pure precision. A combination of superb design and capable digital technologies has produced one of the most outstanding and sustainable sports centers in the world. Thank you for watching. To catch every episode, just subscribe to our newsletter. I'm Katrin Förster and I hope to see you next time. Stay safe.